How to reset your Huobi password. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see two options, sign up and login. Tap on login to proceed. On the login page, enter your email ID or phone number, then tap the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Below the password field, you will see the forgot password button. Tap on it. Next, enter the email address or mobile number associated with your Huobi account. After entering it, tap Send Verification Code. Open your email or SMS inbox, copy the code, and enter it in the app to verify your identity. Once verified, you can create a new strong password for your account. Make sure to choose a secure and unique password. After entering the new password, tap Done to complete the reset process. If you have passkey enabled, you may be prompted to set it up again for added security, or you can skip this step. After completing these steps, you will be logged in successfully. Next time you log into your account, use your new password. Now you know how to reset your Huobi password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.